These days, everyone's under the gun to cut their carbon footprint, including electricity costs. You may not know that behind me, these buildings have a huge price tag in terms of electricity, obviously. But 15% of their total bill is just based on the air filter type that they're using. Did you know that the sticker price of a filter is just 10% of the total spend related to an air filter? Or put another way, electricity can be greater than 10 times the price of an air filter. The first step in considering the total life cycle cost of an air filter is to consider using Camfil's quick cost calculator. Simply plug in what you're using right now, your unit price, the labor, and everything else, and it'll fill out the entire total cost besides the energy piece as to what that filter is actually costing you at the end of 12 months. The next level up from there is our life cycle costing software. It's a very accurate software based on lab reports, lab testing, field testing, real-world performance of air filters, so we can accurately predict within a 4% variance how well certain filters are going to perform, including the energy, labor, landfill, and air quality as well. Finally, we have our cam tester, or like some would call the Caminator. This is a portable air handling unit that we can bring to your site free of charge and actually show you real-time how different filters are performing at your site. To find out your true total cost of ownership, reach out to camfil.com today to set up a free consultation.